Team Lambda 3 and we're doing What is Light after we've done our session of Quantum Physics Day.
Okay, this says that light is a wave because of the Young's double slit experiment we did. Okay, what we did was shine a laser light which is monochromatic through a double slit, which if it is a particle, there should be only two bands of light on the screen. But what we found out was there was multiple bands on the screen. We can explain this because waves can have constructive, which would double the amplitude of the light, which increases its intensity, and there would be destructive, which would cancel it out and decrease its intensity. That's all like this. There's no light.
On the other hand, you can also provide evidence to show that light is a particle. And one way to do this would be to use an electroscope. So if you have an electroscope where one side is, and you apply a negative charge, because both metals have a negative charges repel each other. And then so what happens when you apply visible light? Nothing happens. So you can apply as much intensity of visible light as you want and nothing happens. Whereas when you apply UV light, the gold leaf moves closer to it, which means that it loses negative charge. So when it loses negative charge, it becomes more positive, so it moves slightly closer to the other side. And what this proves is that because UV light has higher frequency than regular light, you see that the fact that it has higher frequency allows some of the electrons from the gold leaf to escape. And this proves the fact that light is a wave, because if light was a wave, then if you apply enough visible light, eventually you'll have enough power and give enough energy for the electrons to lose off anyways. But that never happened, even if you do apply intensity. So this shows that energy has to be applied per photon. So there's a particle, which called a photon, which applies energy per unit packet, and that specific packet has enough energy to let the electrons move. So light is not a wave, according to this logic.
Nice. So, no, light is not a wave or particle. Light is a wavicle because it shares both properties of waves and particles.